Hmm. Yes, we are going to continue the chapter acid, bases and salts, class 10 chemistry. Okay, fine. It's 7:30 p.m. Let's join students as early as possible. Continuation of chapter acid, bases and salts. Okay, fine. Yes, see students, we are studying about what chemical properties of acids, isn't it? In the last class we have discussed reaction of acids with bases as well as reaction of acids with metallic oxides, reaction of acids with metal salts. So we are going to continue reaction of acid and reaction of base. Little bit we will make some revise. Okay, fine. Yes students, because of what in my relations house opening ceremony was there, for that purpose, so I have not took the classes for Monday and Tuesday. So today is a Wednesday, so I am continuing the chapter. So daily 7:30 p.m. Shri Gopal Kulkarni YouTube channel. So chemistry subject I am teaching for this live session. Okay, yes. So already we have started the chapter, continuation of chapter acid, bases and salts. Okay, fine. Reaction of acid. Reaction of acid with metal carbonate. When acid is reacting with metal carbonate, so many examples we have seen. For all these we have seen examples students. Just it is a quick revise. Okay. So acid and metal carbonate, when they combine, what will be the result? Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So you have to by heart this one. All these formulas are very important. Metal carbonate, example Na2CO3, Na2, sodium, CO3, carbonate. Sodium carbonate, when it react with any acid, it will give salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so examples we have seen, just it's a quick revise. When acid will react with metal, any metal, okay, what will be result? What will be the result? Salt plus hydrogen gas. Acid, metal carbonate, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Acid plus metal, salt plus hydrogen gas. Acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate. Same, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. What you have to remember, when acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, bicarbonate, any metal bicarbonate, so result will be salt plus water, carbon dioxide plus water. So this side is known as product and this side is known as reactant. So reactant, when acid and metal hydrogen carbonate they combine, the product, the result will be what? Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Same, metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, when they react with acid, the same result will be there. But when acid react with metal, salt plus hydrogen gas, gas will liberate hydrogen gas. When metal oxide react with acid students, metal oxide, so salt plus water, you have to remember. And acid react with base, so this is known as neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Metal oxide also same, salt plus water. It is also one type of what neutralization reaction. Why? Because metallic oxides are generally basic in nature. Base plus acid, salt plus water, neutralization reaction. So acid plus base, salt plus water, neutralization reaction. Is it clear, students? Fine. So when acid react with all these things, this will be the result. Fine. When bases will react with this, same metal carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate, base plus acid, acid plus base. So what will be the result? Let's see one by one. Already we have seen, okay, when base react with metal, students, what happens? Salt plus water. So base and metal, when they combine, the result is salt plus hydrogen gas. You by heart this one, fix in your mind. Okay, fine. When base is reacting with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, there will be no reaction, students. It will not react. Base will not react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, because both are okay, let it be, no reaction. So when this base react with acid, salt plus water, neutralization reaction. Non-metallic oxides are generally acidic in nature, students. Non-metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxides means what? Non-metals are there. Non-metals are combining with oxygen. That is non-metallic oxide. Are you getting? Simple. So some few comments are getting, I am here. Sir, what's your education qualification? Your teaching is best than my teacher, Abdul Rahman. Sir, can you say how to start a graduate commerce student to learn chemistry from the beginning to expert? Okay, Abdul Rahman, thank you so much for your valuable comments. So Abdul Rahman, my qualification is MSc B.Ed, that is Master of Science, and Bachelor of Education, that is the MSc B.Ed. So you have asked one question here, how to start a graduate commerce student to learn chemistry from beginning to expert. Very fine, wonderful. So you are showing interest in chemistry subject, Abdul Rahman ji. So आप क्या कीजिए, जो 6th स्टैंडर्ड से जो है, ओके, जो टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया गया वो केमिस्ट्री बेसिक से आप पढ़ते आइए. किधर तक पढ़ के आइए? पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर तक आप पढ़ के उसको समझने का कोशिश कीजिए. तो आपको क्या हो जाता है, केमिस्ट्री बहुत इजी हो जाता है. आपको अगर इंटरेस्ट आ गया और पढ़ने का डेप्थ में नॉलेज उनका उसका चाहिए, तो आप बीएससी केमिस्ट्री, एमएससी केमिस्ट्री सो बाद में पढ़ सकते हो. आप अभी क्या कीजिए, केमिस्ट्री में एक्सपर्ट होने के लिए, केमिस्ट्री आपको इजी होने के लिए क्या कीजिए, 6th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके शुरू कीजिए. यूट्यूब में भी मिल जाता है. आपको टेक्स्ट बुक चाहिए बोल के नहीं, आप यूट्यूब में भी 6th स्टैंडर्ड केमिस्ट्री टॉपिक्स, केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर्स आप बेसिक से चालू कीजिए. सो आपको पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर तक, एकदम पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर का वीडियो आप 10th का वीडियो देख लिए तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट, मुश्किल लगेगा. सो 6th स्टैंडर्ड का पूरा कंप्लीट कीजिए और 118 एलिमेंट्स है, उसके पीरियोडिक टेबल के बारे में आप पहला समझ लीजिए. और जो एलिमेंट्स है 118 एलिमेंट्स, उसका बाहर करने का कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेशन लीजिए. पीरियोडिक टेबल, ओके. सो आई एम राइटिंग अब्दुल रहमान हियर. सो दिस इज पीरियोडिक टेबल. इसके अंदर है ना 118 एलिमेंट्स है, ओके. सो ये एलिमेंट्स क्या सिंबल क्या है, उसका नेचर क्या है, उसके बारे में पढ़ाई कीजिए थोड़ा. और एक कंपाउंड्स, ए एलिमेंट 2 और 3 एलिमेंट कंबाइन हो जाता है, कंपाउंड बन जाता है. एग्जांपल H2O है. H is one element, O is one element. When 2 or more elements combine, it will become compound. So H2O क्या है, पानी का फॉर्मूला है. वो पानी का फॉर्मूला क्या है, और कंपाउंड दूसरे हमारे जो घर में यूज करते हैं, साल्ट, सोडियम क्लोराइड, उसका जो फॉर्मूला क्या है. सो 2 एलिमेंट्स कंबाइन हो चुका है, इधर कंपाउंड बन चुका है. आप पहले पीरियोडिक टेबल के बारे में पता कीजिए, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लीजिए और 6 स्टैंडर्ड से लेके पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर तक आप रोज 6 स्टैंडर्ड कंप्लीट करो, 7th स्टैंडर्ड कंप्लीट करो, 8th स्टैंडर्ड, लाइक दिस you have to complete all the class chemistry, then it will become very easy for you. Abdul Rahman ji, thank you so much for your valuable comments. Okay, so fine students, let's continue here. Non-metallic oxides are generally acidic in nature, students. They are acidic in nature. So when acid react with base, what happens? Salt plus water. Acid react with base, salt plus water. Acid, non-metallic oxides, acid plus base. Non-metallic oxide मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by non-metallic oxide? Non-metals are there. Periodic table, elements are classified into 3 types: metals, non-metals, metalloids. जो नॉन मेटल है ना, ऑक्सीजन के साथ मिल जाता है. नॉन मेटल्स विल कंबाइन विथ ऑक्सीजन एंड इट विल बिकम नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड. These are generally acidic in nature, students. When they will combine with base, so same acid plus base, neutralization reaction, salt plus water. Okay, fine. Are you getting this one? So next we are going to continue. So reaction of acids with sulfides and bisulfides. मतलब क्या है? When ये जो एसिड है सल्फाइड और बाइसल्फाइड के साथ रिएक्ट किया तो क्या हो जाता है? So let's see general formula. So this is general formula, students. Sulfides or bisulfides, when they combine with acid, so what will be the result? Salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide. क्या हो जाता है? What will be the product, students, when sulfides or bisulfides react with acids? Salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide, SO2. सल्फर डाई मतलब 2, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर प्लस साल्ट बन जाता है. कब? व्हेन सल्फाइड्स और बाइसल्फाइड्स व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विथ एसिड्स. सो लेट्स सी वन एग्जांपल, स्टूडेंट्स. सो हियर CaSO3 is there. What is CaSO3? SO4 we know sulfite. What is SO3? Sulfite. SO3 means sulfite. Which sulfite is there? CaSO3, calcium sulfite. Is it clear, students? What is this sulfite? Okay, so when it is reacting with acid, which acid we have taken for your example? HCl means what? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, it is when it is reacting with sulfite, calcium sulfite. Okay, so what is the result? Salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Which salt has been formed, students, here? CaCl2. What do you mean by see here? This Ca is there now. This is combining with this Cl, so it will become CaCl2. Cl, chlorine. Ca, calcium. CaCl2, calcium chloride. What is calcium chloride, students? It is a salt, and also water is forming and sulfur dioxide is forming, SO2. See here, water H2O, sulfur dioxide SO2. Salt, there are different formulas are there according to their names. So these all are salts, these all are water, these all are sulfur dioxide. If you remember this general formula, it will become very easy, students. Very easy. General formula is very important. Sulfite or bisulfite, when they are reacting with acids, salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide. So next sulfite we will see here, Na2SO3. SO3 sulfite. Which sulfite? Sodium. Na, sodium sulfite. Na2SO3, sodium sulfite. when it is combining with acid. Here acid we have changed. Now this time not HCl we have taken. We have taken sulfuric acid, king of the acid, H2SO4. So what happens students here, this Na2 is there na, sodium is there na, it is combining with this SO4. So it will become Na2SO4, salt, sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfite was there. When it reacted with sulfuric acid, it became sodium sulfate. Sulfite after reacting sulfate. Is it clear? So remaining same as usual, water plus sulfur dioxide. See students, one thing I want to tell you, this sulfur dioxide is there now, this is a gas. This gas will go and combine in the clouds. See, this SO2 is there now. Clouds, what is there? What will be there? Water will be there. So what happens students? Acid will form, H2SO4 will form. SO2 is released from factories and industries. SO2, sulfur dioxide. So it goes and mixes in the cloud water will be there. So actually H2SO3 sulfurous acid will form. Again it will combine with acid, so it will become sulfuric acid. So when these water will fall on plants or animals, so there will be a harm. So this condition is known as acid rain, students. Acid rain, what do you mean by acid rain? Simple, the sulfur dioxide is going and combining with the water which is present in the clouds. So the water turns into acidic. When that rain will come, that condition is known as acidic rain or acid rain. Is it clear? Fine. So these all SO2 are releasing from factories and industries. Very, very harmful, very, very dangerous. Living organisms may die. Okay. So fine. Next. NaHSO3. Sir, Na we know sodium, SO3 we know sulfite. What is this H? Bisulfite, students. Sodium bisulfite. Or easily if we want to know means sodium hydrogen sulfite. H means hydrogen. Sodium hydrogen sulfite. It is generally called as bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. When combining with HCl, what is HCl? Acid. HCl is acid. So what happens here? This Na is there now, students. This Na will combine with this Cl. What will form? NaCl will form. Sodium chloride. And remaining water plus sulfur dioxide. Are you getting, students? So what is the topic name? Reaction of acids with sulfites or bisulfites. So it is bisulfite. These two are sulfites. So this is bisulfite. What is this? This is also bisulfite. Because H is there, na? K means potassium. Potassium hydrogen sulfite. Wait. So I want to tell you this reaction completely. Afterwards we will see next one. Okay. I have told you. Okay, no problem, no issues. So potassium hydrogen sulfite or potassium bisulfite. When combining with acid, which acid is there, students? Sulfuric acid. So what happens here? This KH is there now. This KH is reacting with this one, SO4. KHSO4. Potassium hydrogen sulfate. This is sulfite. SO3 is there, sulfite. Which salt is forming? Potassium hydrogen sulfate or potassium bisulfate. here potassium bisulfite, here potassium bisulfate plus water as usual plus sulfur dioxide. Is it clear, students? Are you getting? So when acids react with sulfides and bisulfides, what will be the result? Salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Are you getting, students? Fine. So I am not going to complete the today's session. So I want to give you few examples for you. I want to explain you few questions. Okay. Please wait for a few seconds. Okay, fine. Regarding pH scale we are going to study now. Okay. So how it is acid, how it is base, how can we find out? Okay. So pH scale. What is pH? Potential of hydrogen. pH means what? Always we have to write P small and H should be capital, students. pH. Okay, so pH scale 0 to 14 is the range of pH scale. 0 to 14, only this much you have to remember. So 7 will be in the middle. So 7 is called as neutral, students. What is 7? Neutral. It is neither acid nor base. It is neutral. Okay, fine. Now 0 to 6 is there na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is known as acid, students. If pH is 6, it is called as acid. Weak acid. If pH is 5, weak acid. If pH is below the 4 or 3, it is strong acid, students. If pH is 0, highly concentrated, very dangerous acid. 1, 2 is also very strong acid, students. Are you getting? Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is known as base. Morning we are going to brush our teeth. In the paste, what is there? Base is there. In our mouth, what happened in the night? Some microorganisms, bacteria. So our mouth will become acidic in nature. When we apply base to our teeth, so our mouth will become neutral, students. Neither acid nor base. So our blood is also little bit, it is neutral. And we drink water. Drinking water is also neutral, students. Are you getting? Yes, in our blood it should not increase the acidic range, students. If our blood increases the acidic level, it is a harm to our body, very dangerous to our body. It should not be too much weak base, strong base also. Our blood should be neutral. Then we will become very healthy. Okay. So this is about pH scale. I am going to discuss about this pH scale in detail. So afterwards, just it is in trailer. Okay, just little bit introduction. pH. pH means what? Potential of hydrogen. Means what, students? If hydrogen is increasing, students, if hydrogen are increasing so much, so that condition is acidic. If OH is increasing, OH negative, H plus, OH minus, if OH is increasing, base is increasing. Okay, clear? So कभी भी आपको मधुमक्खी आके काट जाता है. Whenever honeybee, okay, honeybee come and bites you. it sting releases methanoic acid और formic acid, हमको जलन होने लगता है, बहुत दर्द होता है। जब क्या करने का हम लोग घर के अंदर बेकिंग सोडा लेने का, क्या लेने का है, NaHCO3 सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट। घर के अंदर जो सोडा रहते हैं, खाने के अंदर जो डालते हैं सोडा, वो क्या होता है, वो बेस रहता है, बेस। ओस्टिंग क्या रहता है, एसिड छोड़ के चला गया रहता है, ओस्टिंग के अंदर एसिड रहता है। we are getting severe burning sensation when ants or red ants or any ants or what honey bee when bite us. So we have to take this baking soda and we have to apply, students, then our burning sensation will become less in our hand, wherever, not in hand, wherever it bites. Okay students, fine. So let's continue in tomorrow's session. So one Arnay Roy, sir, which class it is? So Arnay Roy, so it is a class 10 chemistry chapter acid, bases and salts. Sumukha Enterprises said hi. Hi Sumukha Enterprises, thank you so much. So many students have commented for my live session. So let's meet in the next class. Until then, keep learning, keep watching. Take care students. Bye bye.